300,000.
Yung nawala sa'yo for the one mistake.
Yeah. That's all I had back then.
And that time, anong year yun?
I'd say 20, I'm not sure, but 2016 or 17, parang gano'n.
What is the biggest common misconception sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo?
Biggest common misconception is yung yayaman ka agad. So marami kasing parang nag-glorify yung mga businessman na pag nag-business mayaman yan. Pag businessman mayaman yan. And dami ko nga kilala na employee or self-employed mas mayaman pa sa businessman. Right? So it's all like the same. Kung gusto mong yumaman, doesn't matter kung self-employed, employed, businessman o investor ka. Meron ngang mga employed na billion yung salary nila eh. So pwede mo bang sabihin hindi sila mayaman? You know? So I believe na kung ano man piliin mong path, pwede kayo yumaman dyan. Hindi kailangan business lang. So I think that's the biggest misconception na maraming levels to it eh. Businessman eh, merong mababa, may middle, may mataas. So hindi porke nag-business ka, nandun ka na agad sa taas. No, I don't think it's that way. So
Ano naman yung biggest sacrifices you did for your business?
health. I'd say health. It's the biggest mistake, I guess, na nagawa ko sa buhay ko is to sacrifice my health na pwede naman palang pagsabayin. So, my father told me na i-balance ko, may triangle. So, time, health, and money. So, kung pwede mo namang balansein, umpisa pa lang. It just takes what? An hour to work out. Tapos palitan mo lang lahat ng kinakain mo ng mas healthy. That's it eh. Hindi ko naisip nung nagsisimula ako. I was like, pera muna. Tapos, tsaka ako naintinding lahat to. So, nag-sacrifice ako sa health.